Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Choose the correct answer of each from the give option. If company receives share application more than the offer share, this is called over subscription. If a company offers share at higher price than the par value, the difference is known as premium. The total amount of the capital of a company divided into small units is known as shares. The share capital by which a company is registered is called authorized capital. If the remaining partners purchase the capital of the retiring partner, the total capital of the firm after retirement of the partner remains constant. Salvage value is not taken into account while computing depreciation under diminishing balance method. The statement of affairs is similar to balance sheet. Discount awarded during the concession period is known as cash discount. Under the fixed capital method, profit or loss is transferred to partner's current account. In case of an insolvent partner, his capital deficiency is borne by other solvent partners. In the absence of any partnership agreement, profit and loss are divided equally. In the case of admission on more than book value, the goodwill or bonus is to be given to all partners. At the time of liquidation, remaining cash is to be distributed among the partners. On the balance of capital at the end, debentures are the certificates of receipt of loan acknowledgement. Residual value is the estimated recoverable cost of the depreciable asset at the time of its removal from service. All fixed assets are deposited except land. Non-profit earning organizations include all of these. Non-profit earning concerns do not maintain profit and loss account. Subscription received in advance is a liability. A single entry system of bookkeeping is generally followed by small business concern. A partnership agreement is called partnership deed. The person who takes the initiative in the matter of formation of the company is known as promoter. The expense incurred in the formation of the company are called preliminary expense. The depreciable cost of an asset is equal to cost minus salvage value. Straight line method is also known as fixed installment method. Jazakallah.